The 1200 laboratory muffle furnace adopts a new type of high-quality lightweight ceramic fiber material as the inner lining, with resistance wire inlaying design. It is equipped with a 7-inch large screen intelligent touch temperature control instrument, capable of programming 15 groups of 30 program segments, with a temperature control accuracy of 1. Integrated design of furnace body and temperature control, manual axial side opening of furnace door, reliable and stable long-term operation. It is applied in the high-temperature heat treatment of new materials such as metal materials, ceramic materials, nanomaterials, and semiconductor materials.